Do you suffer from headaches, allergies, or sinus problems? Symptoms like these might be common, but according to the professionals at Chiropractic Nashville, they're not normal. Take a look.
This is what you might expect when you go to a chiropractor. But at Chiropractic Nashville, they do a lot more than just fixing your back.
The headaches, back pain, acid reflux, all these different maladies, they're very common, but they're not normal.
What about allergies?
You know, we live here in Middle Tennessee, which is pretty much just a dust bowl from all kinds of different river valleys that bring so many different pollens into town. Have any of you ever met someone that's not allergic and will say, I was never allergic to anything until I moved here? Now that they're here, they have so many different things, so they just accept it as being normal.
And another cause of pain that is not normal, running.
You've got to bring in variation. So many people come in and tell me, well, it's just normal, I've got back pain when I run, I've got knee pain when I run. But we'll find different ways. A lot of times it's in your shoe, a lot of times it's in your foot, because that ankle is what starts problems with anything moving up.
All of these different pains may be your body saying this is not normal.
Normal is a whole different thing there. What's happening is that you're actually being told by your body that this isn't right. You've got pain or discomfort or something that's bugging you that doesn't really mean that this is just something that you've got to live with. We need to find out why.
And one of Chiropractic Nashville's best tools to help find the cause of your pain, nerve scan.
It's so important because we can actually test the function of your nerves, since that's what controls absolutely everything in your body. And it's really interesting because we can find problem areas where you may not have any symptoms.
Dr. McClellan investigates other potential causes of pain in your body.
Is it something that you're eating? Is it something you're drinking? Is it something you're breathing in? Is it something you're physically doing or something that you're physically not doing? Those are the things that we're looking for to make changes in your body so that you can feel better, live longer, be happier.
Chiropractic Nashville is located at 718 Thompson Lane in Suite 119 in Nashville. Give them a call at 615-292-2797 or log on to chiropracticnashville.com for more information.